video, I'm showing you how to make cheesy jalapeno ball poppers. How delicious do they look? And here, of course, is me trying some. Oh, delicious. Delicious indeed. So, this is the inside of it, of course. And these are the ingredients you'll need. 2 jalapenos, spring onion, egg, chopped cheese, cream cheese and mozzarella, plain flour and breadcrumbs. I'm going to dice my jalapenos. Then I'm going to also dice my spring onion. I'm using half a block of Philadelphia cheese and a handful of mozzarella cheese and sharp cheese. Then I'm going to add it all into a bowl and add salt and pepper and give it a good old mix. Like I'm doing here. Mix, mix, mix. Then I'm going to crumb them. This is my crumbing station. I've got eggs, milk, breadcrumbs and flour. Roll in balls, roll in the flour, roll in the egg mixture and then the breadcrumbs. You're going to pop in the freezer for 20 minutes. Once out of the freezer, you're going to fry them till golden brown. Frying away. Boom! How easy was that, guys? Give it a go and let me know how you go with your cheesy ball poppers. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.